guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So I know most of you guys are from the 11th and 12th grade and want to start preparing for different entrance exams like CLAT or IPMAT or NPAT or NIFT, NID or basically any other entrance exams. And I've also been getting so many DMs regarding how you can start preparing for these entrance exams. I feel like everyone's getting in the zone of studying. That's the reason you guys also want to know about how and from where actually you can start preparing for these entrance exams. And basically, if you're interested to know, keep on watching this video. Now, when we start preparing for entrance exams, the one thing that I have learned the hard way is that it is so much better to start studying for these entrance exams earlier. Now that I have given entrance exams, I definitely realize the importance of starting earlier and even joining some sort of coaching or institute. And that's the reason the first thing is that please start studying for the entrance exams right now. Like even if you're in 11th grade or 12th grade, you should start preparing for the entrance exams. Now, once you've decided कि okay, we have to start studying for the entrance exams, next comes कि कैसे करें. Now, when you want to start preparing for these entrance exams, that's where the role of a coaching institute comes, because it becomes very difficult to manage everything on your own. Like even CBSE ka stuff and the entrance exams, there's too much to handle, and coaching institutes basically help you to kind of do everything in a prescribed manner, and they know what will work best for you. And that's the reason I want to introduce you guys to Top Rankers, which is basically India's largest super career platform. They are basically an educational platform that is going to help you to prepare for the entrance exams and also succeed in your career. So basically they have coaching for all the entrance exams. The Top Rankers is going to help you to set up your goals and also achieve them, obviously. So for example, if you have decided to get through IPMAT for sure, Top Rankers is going to help you do that with their extremely good and beneficial services. It basically offers test preps for all the entrance exams like CLAT, IPMAT, NPAT, NID and NIFT, etc. It has more than 5 lakh questions for you guys to practice, and it includes everything, even mock tests, practice tests, sectional tests. And not only does it take your test, but it also gives you reports and analytics of your performance and how you can actually improve your performance. They even have mentors to help you guys out. The mentor can guide you more efficiently so that you know where you are lagging behind and how you can improve and work on your skills and knowledge. You can use my code Ananya to get up to 10% discount on their website. Now let's talk about preparing for different types of entrance exams. Firstly, it's going to be something that I relate to the most, the entrance exams I have also given, which means all the exams related to commerce background, that is NPAT, SET, IPMAT, ZipMat, DUSAT, CUET, St. Xavier's, and like so many more. And Top Rankers has their branch called Supergrads, which is going to help you to prepare for these entrance exams. It is the best online platform in India to be preparing for such entrance, and this brand has actually got a lot of attention right now for preparing for these entrance exams after the 12th grade, because that platform is really good and it's helping out so many students to actually get through these entrance exams. This coaching institute is going to help you so much for clearing these exams, help you to get through the India's best, finest colleges. Next up, let's talk about CLAT, which is also the entrance exam for law. And if you guys are preparing for CLAT, you definitely need to check out their Legal Edge brand, which is basically one of the best coaching institutes in India for the CLAT exam. In fact, they also have 8 offline centers, but due to COVID, they have shifted everything online, which is very good for all of us, because even if you're staying in any part of India, you can easily get access to their courses. Next up, let's talk about the creative entrance exam. So if you're someone who is maybe planning to prepare for exams like NIFT, NID, NATA, JEE Main, BR, basically all the exams for design and architecture, you definitely have to check out Creative Edge, which is basically a multi-platform that is catering to all the students who want to prepare for these exams of design and architecture. Lastly, let's talk about their Judiciary Gold brand. If you guys are planning to prepare for the Judicial Service exam, they're basically going to help you to prepare for the state level judiciary exams. And this is also something very new I've heard of. So in case you guys are planning to prepare for such exams that is related to the judiciary, you have to check out their Judiciary Gold. And basically the people who are going to be teaching you for the judiciary law exams include all the Judicial Service exam toppers as well as the pioneers in the law prep industry. That means that the experts are going to help you to get through the exam. And yes, Top Rankers assures you the best results, so you don't have to worry. Easily achieve your goals without having stress throughout the year कि कैसे होगा, कैसे entrance exams देंगे. So basically, if you guys are preparing for any of these entrance exams, you have to check out Top Rankers and their sub brands as well, so that you can prepare for exactly what you want to do in the future and basically reach greater heights in your choice of career. You can use my code Ananya to get up to 10% discount on their website, which is so cool. I'll be leaving all the links in the description, so you you do not have to worry at all. And also another really cool thing that they've done recently is that you can fill out a form and the counselors will reach out to you, and then you can make your test prep journey much more easier. I'm going to be putting a link to that form in the description as well, so that you can fill it up and choose which of the 4 subcategories of entrance exams is the best for you. And yeah, once you have decided of what you want to do and how you want to go about it, basically the coaching institute is going to help you to prepare for these exams as well as for sure clear it in the coming future. Basically, when it comes to preparing for entrance exam, it's just about how good your preparation is and how hard you worked for it. If you join these coaching institutes and you put in your own efforts as well, there is absolutely no one to stop you from accomplishing these entrance exams and being successful in your career. And then once you are done preparing, all you have to do is give your best in the entrance exam and then just leave it there. What are you guys waiting for? Start your journey of preparing for these entrance exams. I'm going to be putting the links in the description so that you can check that out. And yeah, happy learning and all the best to everyone who is going to start preparing for entrance exams now. I know you all are going to make it. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it extremely helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Definitely share this video with your friends, especially the ones who are preparing for such entrance exams. It's going to be so helpful for them. Follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.